Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my favorite Disney box, which is Bibbidi boxes, to unbox with you guys. I'm so excited to see what we got this month. I have been unboxing these every month this year since February, and these are just so much fun. This is technically the June box since Bibbidi does ship a little bit later in the month. So if you guys do sign up, you can sign up for the July box now. If you use my code LEAHJANAE, you will save $7 off of your first box. I do get the most expensive box, but there is tons of other options out there as well. If this is a bit much for you, they have a lot of cheaper options too, but this is just such a fun one. It makes a great gift as well. It's perfect for any Disney lover. You can also get these customized to whatever you want. Like, let's say you're like, this month I want an Ariel themed box. They can do that. If there's a specific item that you've been wanting from Disney, you can request it. It's really nice, and it's literally the most customizable boxes, so you're sure to love what you get, and I'm always impressed. I don't do a whole lot of customizations with mine because I just love the surprise of it. And I never know what I'm gonna get, and I think it's so much fun. A couple times I've asked for things like when I had a trip back in February. But yeah, I have no clue what is in here. So I think this is the Ultimate Magic box. I'll have to double check. Ultimate Magic is $119, but like I said, they do have some cheaper options as well. But this one, you can kind of get more designer items like the Loungefly backpacks. Those retail for a lot. Alex and Annie, some of their figurines that cost a lot as well can be in these. So let's see what we got. We got some pink tissue paper here and a cute little card. Let's see. This one says, "I think our wishes will come true," and that made Duffy and his friends very happy. So we got a Duffy card, and my box was curated by Amanda. So thank you, Amanda. Let's see what is in here. This gives spoilers about everything, so you'll know how much your items cost retail-wise. So this first thing is wrapped up in some bubble wrap. Let's see what this is. So we got a little Mickey Mouse teardrop glass. Adorable. I don't even have like regular glasses in my house. I always use all my Disney cups. I have Ray Dunn mugs, and I have all my Starbucks tumblers. So all of my cups are always fun. So this will fit right in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has a little Mickey and Minnie with the heart in the middle. So cute. This would be a really nice just like wine glass or whatever. Adorable. So that is the first item in the box. Super cute. I'm going to set that back here. Next up we got, it looks like some jewelry in here. Oh, this is so fun. Okay. This is adorable. It's so dainty and simple, which is what I like for jewelry. I'm not a big jewelry person, so if I do wear it, I like just like really easy things. Like I love Alex and Ani bracelets and simple necklaces like this, and this is from their Parks collection. So you can only get it in the parks, and it says, "Believe in every wish, Cinderella." This is a sterling silver little glass slipper. How cute is that? So this one is on the shorter side, but this would be so cute as just a really dainty necklace you could wear for every day. Let me see if I can get a close-up on the little shoe. I think that's as close as we're gonna get, but yeah, that's really cute. I really like that. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got a fun little wallet. This is from Loungefly, and this is like a denim wallet. So it has the denim with little white polka dots, so I guess it would be like a mini wallet. And then this is with Loungefly, by the way. It has the little mini bow on the front, which is so cute. So this you can definitely, it's not like super Disney related. Like you could totally bring this with you anywhere, not just to the Disney parks or whatever. So this is what it looks like. It actually fits a lot in here. A ton of different cards. It has a little slot here with some Minnie Mouse's heads on it. So cute. So that is super fun. We also have here, what is this? Oh, a magnet set. This is perfect. I have a couple magnets on my fridge. I actually need some new ones, and we got some Lilo and Stitch ones. So the first one says Current Mood Unstoppable, and these are big magnets, so they'll hold up a lot. And then this one says Current Mood Not Today with Lilo, which is how I feel most of the time. So this is really cute. I love that. We got some really fun items this time. Okay, I have even one more item here. No way, this is so cute. So we got a little Marie figurine. I actually have like a little mini figurine that is part of this collection too, so this will fit right in. Marie is one of my favorite Disney characters. I think she's just the cutest. I love Aristocats, and like she just has this like snotty little attitude that just cracks me up, and she's so cute, and she's a little white cat. I have a white cat as well. Mine's a boy though, but this is so fun. So this is it. It has some like really colorful aspects to it to kind of make it more unique and fun. But yeah, how adorable. Little Marie. So cute. So that's from the Brito collection, which is a pop artist. Romero Brito uses vibrant colors and bold patterns as a visual language of hope and happiness. So fun. So that was the ultimate magic box. I'm going to go ahead and add everything up for you. We got 5 items this month, which is really cool. This Marie figurine is $25. The magnets, these were $9.99. These are a park exclusive as well. I love getting park exclusives because I'm never able to go to the parks that often. We also got the wallet. This is the Loungefly denim polka dot wallet for $40. This cup is $14.99. It's called the Disney Mickey and Minnie Glitter Heart 20-ounce teardrop glass. And then of course we had the Cinderella necklace. This one is $39.99. The Cinderella slipper sterling silver dainty necklace for a total of $129.97. So that is everything in my Bibbidi box. We got some really fun items this month, which I'm so excited about. Something from like each category, which I love. So that is going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun like Disney mystery box. Once again, have the link down below. If you guys want to save $7 off your first box, you should definitely check out Bibbidi boxes. They are the best. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.